Hey friends, this is Mike, that helpful dad, with another quick tip for you about Netflix. Today we're going to talk about how to change your profile, whether that be changing the picture or changing the parental controls level. I'm going to show you that. You know, we got lots of tips about cord cutting and watching TV online and Netflix. If you go over to our website, thathelpfuldad.com, you can see tons and tons of tips. Everything is free and you get lots of reviews and stuff like that. I'll put a link for you in the notes section, but for now, let's talk about changing our profile. So, you can do this on the app if you're watching on your TV, or you can also do it on your computer as well too. Either way is very easy. If we look on the computer here on the top left-hand corner, if we kind of hover over the picture of your profile, you can go down here to Manage Profiles. And if you come in here, well, let's go ahead and update one of these here. So we've got 4 profiles currently. We can add another if we want, but I'm going to go ahead and manage my profile. So first and foremost, I could change my name here in this box where I've got Dad. And I could change that to Daddy or whatever I want. Change my language. Change the parental control levels. So if you have little kids and you want to make sure that they can only see certain amounts of or levels of viewership, you don't want to hide the parental stuff from them, you certainly could do that. And then you can also change your picture here. So if you want to change your profile picture icon, you can see there's a lot of different icons to choose from, whether that be the classic section or all the way down to a bunch of other options as well too. So just a quick video. That's how you do it. Once you get everything that you like, you go ahead and click Save, and you are done. So that's how you change your profile. And if you want to know how to also change your Netflix account from the different plans they have available, we have another video about that. So stay tuned and watch that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.